Howdy humans, it is Lou here for Simply Crochet Magazine, and in today's video we are going to be diving into the Hook and Learn project in association with Scheepjes yarn. If you'd like to join us in a wider community sort of sense and link arms with us as we hook away at this fabulous project, then you can do so by joining us in the Facebook group. We'd love to hear from you and be updated on how you're getting on, and if you do have any problems, myself and a few other members of the Simply Crochet team will be there to help if needs be. So without further ado, let's do this thing. So for today's tutorial we are going to be looking at Apache Tears stitch. Now here is a little swatch that I've worked up. You can see this amazing kind of diagonal texture going on, and it really is an awesome stitch. So I'm so glad to be featuring this one today. We are going to be using Stonewash XL in turquoise, and we are also going to be using Scheepjes Stonewash XL in Morganite. We will also need a 5.5mm crochet hook, which for those of you in the United States is an I or a 9. So I have just done the initial starting chain and the first row, which is a row of double crochet. I've done mine much shorter than you will, just for the purposes of demonstration. With this project, where we would usually turn our work, what we're going to be doing is staying on the right side of our work at all times. So we're going to be having the right side of the work facing us. After we've finished our first row of double crochet, we are going to snip our ends and we're going to fasten off, and then we're going to move back to the start of that row and reattach the same colour. You can do this in any way that you like. I like to pull mine through and then knot it on, but whatever you're most comfortable with is perfect. So once you've attached your yarn again, you are going to be chaining 1, and then you are going to be doing a full row of double crochet stitches worked into the back loop. Now where we would normally work sort of under that V shape, we're just going to be working into the back loop, so we are going to get this really nice kind of ridging effect as we go on. So if you'd like to pause the video for now, I'll meet you back here for row 3 in just a minute. So for row 3, you're going to be repeating row 2. So once again, you'll be working double crochet all the way along that row in the back loops only. Once you get to the end of that, fasten off, and we will meet back here in just a second. So as you can see, it looks super lovely at this point. You've got these amazing ridges that run all the way along. So we are going to snip our ends and fasten off, and then we're going to go back to the start of this again, and we're going to attach Morganite. And again, you can do this in whatever way feels most comfortable for you. Once you have attached Morganite, you are going to chain 1, working into the back loop again, and like so, we are going to do a double crochet stitch. Now we're going to be doing a double treble, so we're going to yarn over twice. Now we're going to go 3 rows down and into the front of that stitch there. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2, and that is our double treble. Now I'll show you that several more times, so if it wasn't quite clear, then we'll go through it again in a second. But what we're going to do now is we're going to do 7 double crochet stitches, and they are again going to be in the back loop only. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now what we're going to do, we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 down. We're going to work into that front there. So we're going to insert our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And there we have it again. We've got our lovely double treble that sits nicely in the turquoise, and you get this really great contrast. So now we're going to do 7 double crochet stitches, again in the back loops only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll show you for a third time. We're going to yarn over twice. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 rows down, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the final 2. So you're going to carry on doing that for the entire length of your project. Obviously mine's much shorter, but you'll carry on for a few more, and then I'll meet you back here for the next row. So you're going to reattach morganite and chain 1 as we've been doing. You're then going to work a double crochet in the back loops of the next 2 stitches. Then what you're going to do is your double treble again. So we're going to go 3 rows down. We are going to yarn over twice. We're going to insert our hook. It's a bit fiddly sometimes, as you can see. We are going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 more. Then we are going to do 7 double crochet stitches in the back loops only. And then our double treble again. So we go 3 rows down, yarn over twice, then we're going to insert our hook like so. Going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then once again, 7 double crochet stitches in the back loops. And then a double treble, so we yarn over twice, we go 1, 2, 3 rows down. We're going to work into that stitch there. We are going to put our hook through, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And as with before, you are going to go all the way along following your pattern in issue 76 of the magazine until you get to the end of this row, and I'll meet you back here in a second. So once again, reattach morganite and chain 1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work a double crochet into the back loop of the next 3 stitches. And then we're going to do our double treble. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 rows down. We are going to yarn over twice. We're going to insert our hook into that stitch there, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the final 2. So we're now going to do, you guessed it, 7 double crochet stitches in the back loops only. And then we're going to do our double treble again. So yarn over twice. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 rows down. Insert our hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. And yarn over and pull through 2. So as you can see, we're doing the stitches in such a way that it's kind of shifting us 1 stitch along each row. So then we end up with this really nice diagonal pattern going on. So now we've got to do 7 double crochet stitches in the next 7. We are going to do those, unsurprisingly, in the back loops only. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. And I will show you this one for a final time before leaving you to fly off on your own. We're going to do our double treble. So yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3 rows down. We're going to insert our hook. Well, we're certainly going to try anyway. We're going to insert our hook like so. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Just as before, you're going to carry this pattern on until you get to the end of your row, and then the rest of the pattern follows this same kind of design. So hopefully what I've shown you today will give you a nice little visual on what you've got in front of you in issue 76. If you haven't already gone out and bought issue 76, you should, because it's a great one, and Apache Tears is a really, really beautiful stitch with so much potential. So enjoy and good luck. So as always, thank you so much for coming and spending this time with me. I very much appreciate it because I quite like you. I think you're all right anyway. I can deal with you in small doses. And if you do have any issues with the pattern whatsoever, please get in touch by leaving a comment below. You can send us a message. You can get in touch with us through Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. We are everywhere. In the meantime, from myself and the rest of the Simply Crochet team, we love you very much and we will see you very soon for another video. Bye.